Hello guys. And welcome to my channel. Now let me introduce this one of the exciting gadgets ever published for the first time. Meet LEMFO LEM T 4G 2.86-inch screen smartwatch, Android 7.13GB RAM, 32 ROM, and comes with 5 megapixel. And now, we will walk through the specification and features of this one. Number 1. Plot your course. Always stay on the right way. The watch comes with GPS so you know where you are and where you're going. Number 2. Watch your heart. Equipped with a heart rate sensor and a built-in rate monitor, you can check your heart rate during a workout, see your resting, walking, breathe, workout, and recovery rates throughout the day, or take a new reading at any time. Number 3. Easy browsing. Enjoy your favorite news and entertainment on your wrist. The large 640 by 480 resolution display allows you to seamlessly scroll through different web pages. Number 4. Stay connected. Enjoy the ultimate freedom of 4G connected experiences without having to carry your phone. Whether you are traveling or going for your outdoor activities, the watch keeps you connected. Number 5. Track your progress. Your own personal trainer. Your watch lets you focus on more exercise with less planning. With many new indoor exercises, tracking your calories, a number of steps, you can easily customize and change up your routine. Number 6. Showcase your style. Customize your watch with a wide choice of watch face. Choose one to fit your fashion or mood before you start your day. Number 7. Engineered to endure. The watch body is designed with an IP67 rating, which allows you to be more active outdoors, enduring tough conditions. Number 8. It comes with the biggest screen display ever made. Introducing the world's first large smartwatch. Experience the most immersive and largest display ever. The 2.86 inches, 640 by 480 display lets you see more at once. Number 9. Fast network. With a 4G support built-in SIM card slot, now you can enjoy hands-free calls and use various online apps anywhere, anytime on your bigger display. And now, you may see that it's a very interesting gadget for you to have. That's why it gains 5 out of 5 reviews. If you want this smartwatch, you may go check out this one. Just click the link below my description and add it to your cart now. Enjoy! For those who want to purchase this LEM, you also have T7 Bluetooth headphones, which save you up to $35.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe for more videos.